We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Parrot kisses usually consist of the bird putting its beak against your face, often around your cheeks or lips. This can be accompanied by your bird gently nibbling you. Some parrots even stick out their tongues and lick their owners during a kiss. Birds show affection to one another by kissing their flock mates.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.